If you're in the market for an electric bike that's easy to store, travel with, and packs a punch, you're in the right place. Folding e-bikes are a game changer, offering the perfect blend of compact design and electric power. Whether you're commuting through city streets or enjoying a weekend adventure, these bikes combine portability with high performance. They're ideal for anyone looking to enjoy a stress-free, eco-friendly way to get around. Today, we'll dive into some of the best folding e-bikes on the market that make your ride smoother, easier, and more enjoyable. From affordable and lightweight options to high-powered models designed for rugged terrain, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll explore bikes that deliver great performance, portability, and style, all without breaking the bank. No matter your riding style, these bikes offer features that will make every ride a breeze. So sit back, relax, and let's take a closer look at the top folding electric bikes that are ready to take you on your next adventure. Number 9. Lectric XP Lite 2.0 Electric Folding Bike. The Lectric XP Lite 2.0 is the ideal folding e-bike for riders who want a lightweight, affordable bike that doesn't sacrifice performance. At only 49 pounds, this bike is perfect for commuters or anyone who needs a portable ride. The 819-watt peak motor is smooth and efficient, allowing you to cruise up to 20 miles per hour while tackling moderate inclines. For longer trips, its long-range battery offers up to 80 miles per charge, making it a solid choice for longer rides or daily use. What makes the XP Lite 2.0 stand out is its thoughtful design. Hydraulic disc brakes ensure reliable stopping power even in wet conditions, while the color LCD display offers clear ride data, including speed, battery status, and more. It's also equipped with a USB-A port for charging on the go, making it even more convenient. With its adjustable handlebar and multiple color options, this e-bike is versatile and ideal for riders of all types, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro. Number 8. Heybike Mars Folding Electric Bicycle. The Heybike Mars is a versatile, high-performance folding e-bike that excels on a variety of terrains. Featuring a 1,000-watt peak motor, it delivers plenty of power to tackle hills, off-road trails, and more. With fat 4-inch wide tires, you'll enjoy excellent traction and stability, whether you're cruising through city streets or exploring rugged paths. The bike offers a top speed of 20 miles per hour and a maximum range of 50 miles, giving you plenty of freedom to explore new areas or use it for your daily commute. Designed with comfort and durability in mind, the Heybike Mars also comes with a dual suspension system, dual disc brakes, and a 7-speed gear system. This allows you to adjust your ride to suit various terrains or riding styles, whether you're in pedal assist, manual, or full electric mode. Plus, it's pre-assembled, so you can start riding as soon as it arrives. If you want a folding e-bike that's tough enough for adventures yet practical for everyday use, the Heybike Mars is a fantastic choice. Number 7. BeginOne T10 Folding Electric Bike. For those seeking a compact and lightweight e-bike, the BeginOne T10 is a great option. Weighing just 39 pounds, it's easy to fold and transport, making it perfect for urban environments or travel. Despite its light frame, the 500-watt peak motor offers impressive performance, capable of handling inclines up to 30 degrees with ease. The removable 36-volt battery provides up to 80 miles of range on pedal assist mode, so you can enjoy extended rides or make your daily commute more efficient without worrying about running out of power. The T10 also boasts several features designed to enhance your comfort and safety. With dual suspension, a 7-speed gear system, and high-strength disc brakes, it offers a smooth ride even on uneven roads. The large LCD display lets you monitor your speed, battery level, and ride data, keeping you informed throughout your journey. For those looking for an efficient, practical e-bike, the BeginOne T10 delivers reliable performance in a sleek, foldable design. Number 6. Blue Bico 1000-watt folding electric bike. If you're looking for power and versatility, the Blue Bico 1000-watt folding electric bike has you covered. With a peak 1000-watt motor, this bike can reach speeds of up to 30 miles per hour, making it perfect for both city commuting and off-road adventures. Its 48-volt 20Ah battery provides a range of up to 80 miles on pedal assist mode, ensuring you can go the distance without constantly needing to recharge. Plus, the bike's fat 20-inch tires offer excellent stability, whether you're riding on beaches, trails, or snow-covered streets. In addition to its power and range, the Blue Bico e-bike is designed for comfort and safety. The front fork and seat post feature shock absorption to smooth out bumps, while the dual disc brakes ensure reliable stopping power. With multiple riding modes, including pedal assist and full throttle, you can customize your experience based on terrain and preference. The bike also includes a smart LCD display that tracks real-time data like speed and battery life, making it easy to stay in control feel during your ride. Number 5. Lectric XP 3.0 Long-Range Electric Bike. The Lectric XP 3.0 is perfect for those who want a bike that combines power, comfort, and long-range capabilities. With a 500-watt hub motor peaking at 1,000 watts, this bike offers quick acceleration and a smooth ride, reaching top speeds of 28 miles per hour. The 48-volt battery gives you a range of up to 65 miles on a single charge, making it great for long-distance commuters or weekend adventurers. Whether you're tackling rough trails or zipping through city streets, the XP 3.0 delivers solid performance. What sets the XP 3.0 apart is its enhanced design, which includes hydraulic disc brakes for powerful stopping power and a front suspension for added comfort on bumpy paths. The bike's adjustable handlebars and ergonomic design ensure a comfortable fit for riders of various sizes. With a 330-pound weight capacity, it can easily handle riders plus cargo. Whether you're using it for daily commuting or exploring new terrain, the XP 3.0 offers a balanced combination of power, comfort, and versatility. Number 4. GoTrax 20-inch Folding Electric Bike. The GoTrax 20-inch Folding Electric Bike is an affordable yet powerful option for those who want a portable e-bike without sacrificing performance. Featuring a 500-watt peak motor, this bike can reach speeds of up to 20 miles per hour, making it an excellent choice for both city commuting and light trail rides. The 48-volt battery provides a range of up to 40 miles on pedal assist mode, so you won't have to worry about running out of juice on shorter rides or trips around town. One of the standout features of the GoTrax R1 is its foldability. It takes up minimal space, making it easy to store in a car trunk or on public transport. With 3 riding modes, full electric, pedal assist, and manual, you can adjust the bike to suit your needs. It also comes equipped with dual disc brakes for reliable stopping power, an LED headlight for added safety, and an LCD display to monitor important ride data. For those on a budget but still seeking a high-performing folding e-bike, the GoTrax R1 is a great pick. Number 3. Narak Fat Tire Folding Electric Bike. The Narak Fat Tire Folding Electric Bike is built for adventure and durability. Powered by an 1100-watt brushless motor, it can reach speeds of up to 28 miles per hour and tackle diverse terrains with ease. Whether you're riding on sandy beaches, mountain trails, or city streets, the 4-inch fat tires provide the stability and traction you need. The 48-volt battery offers a solid range, ensuring you can ride longer distances without constantly worrying about recharging. What makes the Narak stand out is its versatility. It features 4 riding modes: throttle mode, pedal assist mode, regular bicycle mode, and walk mode, giving you full control over your riding experience. The Shimano 7-speed drivetrain ensures smooth shifting, while the dual disc brakes provide strong stopping power. The integrated LED lights improve visibility, and the neatly hidden cables enhance the bike's sleek look. Whether you're commuting or exploring the outdoors, the Narak Fat Tire Folding Electric Bike is designed for those who want a reliable, exciting ride. Number 2. Victrip Folding Electric Bike. For those who want a powerful and durable e-bike, the Victrip electric bike is a great option. Equipped with a 750-watt motor, it reaches speeds of up to 30 miles per hour and can easily handle 30-degree inclines. Its 20.8 AH battery offers a range of over 75 miles, allowing for long-distance rides without the need for frequent recharging. The bike also features hydraulic disc brakes, ensuring strong and reliable stopping power in all weather conditions. The Victrip is designed for comfort and convenience. With its front fork suspension and 7-speed transmission system, you can enjoy a smooth ride on a variety of surfaces. The user-friendly color display shows important ride data like speed, battery level, and distance. Plus, it includes LED lights, a bell, and fenders for added safety. The folding design makes it easy to transport, and the dual chargers help reduce wait time. If you're looking for a high-performance e-bike that's built to last, the Victrip is an excellent choice. Number 1. UEI Bike Folding Electric Bike. The UEI Bike Folding Electric Bike is the top choice for riders who demand power and versatility. With a 1500-watt motor peaking at 2000 watts, it can reach speeds of up to 35 miles per hour, easily handling steep hills and long-distance rides. The 48-volt 25Ah battery offers an impressive range of 60 to 100 miles, ensuring you have the power to explore a variety of terrains without worrying about running out of charge. Whether you're commuting or heading out for an off-road adventure, the UEI Bike delivers superior performance. This bike is built for durability and comfort. The fat 20-inch tires are designed to handle sand, snow, and rough trails, providing a smooth and stable ride. The dual suspension and hydraulic disc brakes ensure a comfortable and safe experience even on bumpy paths. The bike also features a wide, comfortable seat, a large LCD display, and a rear rack for adding convenience. With its foldable design, the UEI Bike is perfect for those who need power, portability, and reliability in in one package. And there you have it, the best folding electric bikes that offer the perfect blend of power, portability, and performance. Whether you're looking for a bike to make your daily commute easier, explore new terrains, or just enjoy a weekend adventure, there's something here for everyone. From the sleek and powerful UEI Bike to the versatile and rugged Victrip, each of these bikes is designed to make your ride smoother, safer, and more enjoyable. Before making your decision, consider what features matter most to you, whether it's speed, range, or adaptability to different terrains. With these folding e-bikes, you're not just getting a bike, you're gaining the freedom to ride whenever, wherever, and however you want. Thanks for tuning in. Be sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more awesome reviews, and leave a comment with your thoughts. Keep on riding and happy cycling.